Electricity challenges continue to affect residents in Ward 39 Orlando West, with some households reportedly without power for several days. Now, Ward Councillor Life Modise attributes some of the ongoing problems to aging and damaged electricity infrastructure, which he says is affecting reliable service delivery. Modise has also raised concerns over street lights that remain unrepaired and is now calling for urgent intervention to address the electricity challenges.
Ingxaki yombane iyaqhubeka ukuba lulwamvila kubahlali kwindawo ezohlukeneyo eSoweto. Uceba kaWard 39 uLifa Modise uthi ziyaqenqgeleka xa kungoku iintsuku abahlali besebumnyameni. Echaza nomba weziseko ezonakeleyo njengomqobo kugqithiso lwenkonzo ezisulungekileyo.
Sisahlupheka kakhulu with regards to infrastructure. Infrastructure yethu ayikabi stable. Ngendlela yokuthi kumanje we've got a mini sub esase off 15 days, but generally you find from time to time kunama cable falls, kunama cable theft. There is another cable theft experience ayo khona la Orlando West, but which is Eskom is busy with it ba awe ngayo since from Izolo. So ugesi into city, it's not stable. You can't say ukuthi maglaita today basically or definitely uzovuka kunogesi kusasa. Anything can happen due to infrastructure decay.
Uceba ubuye wacangcatha nakwingxaki yezibane zezidalato ezingasebenziyo esithi kude kube ngoku akukho manyathelo athathwayo malunga nazo.
Half of the ward it's stuck, so lukuyi manje asinakho nje ukuthi sithi kuney'tradi ezike zal-attendwa. Since ever we've been reporting, we've got all reference numbers, but City Power is not coming to party because they claim ukuthi abana material. So this one brings strain to abahlali, and it's worrisome for everybody. Ophuma ekuseni aye emsebenzini or obuya ntambama late, but also it's bringing crime to our location. So people are not happy. We are not happy as the leadership of the ward, and this is a ward of choice, but it's very dark.
Modise uthi baza kuqhubeka benkqonkqoza kwiminyango efanelekileyo de izikhalo zabo ziviwe. Kwindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eOrlando West.